I have a beautiful message. First off, I've been just guided to share. I started a puzzle like 15 days ago, something like this. And then slowly but surely, I was doing it, and then the day before yesterday, I finished it. But it was missing one piece. Obviously, what could be more frustrating than losing one piece? Not like 3, 4, 1. And then today, I found the missing puzzle. I found the missing puzzle. And this is a beautiful analogy because today I am here to talk to you about sexual energy. And I guess God, the Most High, wanted me to connect these two information. Your sexual energy is your missing puzzle. There is no energy. Everything is sexual energy. Everything is creation. You are manifesting, you are creating with your sexual energy. Unfortunately, if you do not balance yourself, call your power back, call your sovereignty back, align with your divine truth, claim your birthright. Some very disruptive energies, forces are allowed to siphon you while you sleep or just when you're not aware, when you're out of alignment, when you don't speak your truth. As light worker, we carry the light, and energetic vampires, they cannot produce their own light, and they do not have other choice than stealing your energy, your power, your life force energy, your vitality. I am here on this path to help you get your power back, get your soul fragment back. My divine mission is to help you transmute everything that is blocking, siphoning, utilizing your sexual energy without your consent and permission, and help you recall what's yours by divine right, divine inheritance. In this new moon in Taurus, you are supposed to manifest seriously everything connected to your stability, your finances, very earthy energy. You do not want any other forces to utilize your power. Closing some dark portals for you. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. You will find some very powerful codes to clear your system, activate your system, remove unwanted energy, recall your soul fragment, especially in the masterclass and in the Lightworker way, especially designed for Lightworkers. They want same energies, karmic path, weird closing cycle. You might 88 on the timer be still connected to a karmic partner, ex, I'm tapping into, that is siphoning your energy, that is still plugged in your sexual energy. But the thing is, you're manifesting your life, your new life with this energy. This is your life force energy. You don't want anything else, anyone else, to be connected without your permission to you. This is your goal. This is your finances. This is your energy. This is your love. This is everything. They do not have the right. I'm tapping also into someone. Be careful, this friend that you think, ooh, there is a friend that you have to release. It's not a friend. They're siphoning your energy. They're not your friend, sorry. Sorry, not sorry, actually. Courage. For some of you, it took courage to cut the ties, the bond with this person. But you did the right thing because, again, they're siphoning the time. For some of you, this is the time you need to cut with this person. Maybe you haven't done it. You need to literally cut with this person. This is very interesting because you're very protected. I'm talking to a healer here. You heal with your hand, with your eyes, I'm hearing also. We come back to the beginning, and this is the missing puzzle. I keep saying what you hear. Yes, this is what I said, so maybe might talk to some of you. Missing puzzle. The talisman, the key is your sexual energy. Take what's yours. Do not wait. This is the time. And until next time, namaste.